Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download HBO application on a PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, open up your preferred web browser. After that, at the address bar, type in webcatalog.io. You will need to download Web Catalog application on your device. Now, click on Download button here. After that, select your operating system. Click on Download for Windows and click on this link to download on macOS and this for Linux. After you click on this link, you will get a setup file. After the setup file is downloaded, click on it and your web catalog will be installed. I have already installed it on my PC. Now, open the web catalog application. After that, at the search bar here, type in the name of your application, which is HBO. After that, select the application, click on Install button. Your download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.